Welcome to the Sneaker Teacher channel. Today we're going to work with the segment addition postulate. So I have a picture here with a whole segment, QS, made up of two smaller segments, QR and RS. So our goal for this question is to find the length of RS. So this is going to be done in two parts. So step one, we're going to actually solve for X. So we have our whole segment, QS, and that's equivalent to adding the two portions that create it. So we're going to say QS equals QR plus RS. So I like to write out the equation first and then plug things in. Again, just a strategy for you. So we're going to replace what we know from our picture. So QS is equivalent to -4 plus 4x equals QR, which is equivalent to 6, plus RS, which is equivalent to 2 plus x. From here, we're going to solve for x, so we're going to combine our like terms. So I have -4 plus 4x equals 8 plus x. We're going to use our inverse operations to combine our variables. So I'm going to take minus x from both sides. We have -4 plus 3x equals 8. We're going to add the 4 to both sides to get our x almost by itself. We have 3x equals 12. Our last inverse operation we're going to do is division. We're going to divide by 3 on both sides and get x equals 4. So that gets us solving for x. Our final answer is going to be a value for the length of RS. So step 2, we're going to plug x back in and solve for RS. So I like to rewrite out what RS is so I don't plug it into the wrong one. RS is the 2 plus x, and we also found that x was 4. So we're going to place that x with the value for 4. So RS equals 2 plus 4. So our final answer is going to be RS equals 6 and 6 units.
And I'm your sneaker teacher. Thanks for watching. Drop a comment below if you've got questions or want another problem. Don't forget to subscribe, keep your kicks fresh, and stay irrational.